Here's an example of training AI with passive data by using custom text. Click on WebAssist and then on AI Training. Choose Passive Data. In this case, let us go ahead and train some service-related information. On the left, click on Services, followed by clicking the Train button. From the available options, select Create Custom Text. Now, enter the text about your services that you want to train the AI with. And click on Submit. After that, click Upload to finish training the AI. To complete the process, toggle the Published button, and confirm. This will publish your document. To verify, under Actions, click on Sample Queries. On the right-hand side, you'll see sample queries that your customers may have, and the responses the AI is now trained.